Hi everyone, this is Bramesh from Bramesh Tech, and in this video we'll discuss about the Nifty and Bank Nifty weekly analysis for the coming week, as coming week being a monthly expiry. So and we are expecting, and also we have a quarterly closing also. So we'll definitely see a very good move in the market. So coming week we have two major event, which is involving Mercury. First is the rule number 38 by George Bayes, which says Mercury latitude in heliocentric. Now, he told that whenever we reach this level 0, 3 degrees, 21 minutes, 6.48 and 7 degrees, some mighty fine tops and bottoms are produced when Mercury in this motion passes about the mentioned degrees. So for this to find out, I'm using a software called SolarFire, and in that we have to just set up latitude and heliocentric Mercury. If I click on start, it will generate these values. It will give the degrees for each and every days, and I have to export this file. I've already exported and kept it. So the file is like this. And whenever Mercury reaches 7 degrees, like the above mentioned degrees, in that 7 degrees is the most important one. So whenever this particular thing happens, you tend to see a very good move in the market. So see here, 26, 27th, Mercury is reaching 7 degrees. Before that, it was 6 Jan, and then 3rd April, 8th February. So I have drawn these lines here. This is the Nifty's chart. I'll get it for you. So this is the Nifty's chart, and here these lines have been drawn. So like you see, 6 January we formed a major bottom and a good rally came in. This was a major bottom on 5th April. 8th February, again no major move happened on 8th February. Similarly, this was 4th of August. From there a big rally was launched, and this was again a bottom on 1st of July. So so this is a very good rule, where we can see a good tops and bottoms formation which is happening tomorrow. Second thing which is happening is, Mercury is going in retrograde. Retrograde means, what I've done is, Mercury retrograde. So whenever Mercury goes in retrograde, again, you can see a change in direction in the market. See, this was one of the most finest trade we have got. Just one day before expiry, I mean, sorry, budget day, it made a bottom, and from there we had a very big rally. Similarly, it happened here on 27th May. After that, this bottom was not reached throughout the retrograde period, and we had some good moves. And now we are entering tomorrow. So tomorrow for intraday traders, first 15 minutes high and low will be very crucial. And for positional traders, high and low of that day and whichever side is broken, trade can be taken. Next important thing which are happening is there are two important aspects which are happening, which are basically Mars is trine with Saturn and Sun trine with North Node, and Venus is also going in ingress, which is Aquarius. So Venus, Mercury, Venus, Mars, anything which involve these three planets, you tend to see a very good move in the market. So these all happened on weekend, and we are having the retrograde. So first 15 minutes high and low will be very crucial for tomorrow. So this is about it from the astro perspective. Now let me quickly show you the neural analysis. So this is the neural it is showing for Nifty. It says top around 24, then a fall which we can see. Again this is like works 70% of the time. It needs to be populated with data. But yes, if first 15 minutes low is broken, then definitely we can see some decline in the market. And if I go here, Bank Nifty, again it says a small dip can come on 28, a small bottoming out formation, a top on 29th, and a small fall till 2nd of October. And let me quickly show you the levels which I'm watching out for. So Nifty, my trend deciding level is 17886, and these are the targets which I'm watching on upside, and these are the targets on downside. And similarly for Bank Nifty, 37,900 is a very important level. Bank Nifty already made a double top, but let's see how it goes. I mean, we need a close below Friday's low for that confirmation. These are the targets. And USG will also be in limelight for the coming week. So 74 is a very important level. And these are for October contracts. September contracts is expiring on Tuesday. So, I mean, I've shown you the importance of the Mercury ingress, and let me quickly show you this. This is the Mars trine Saturn. So again, these are very rare aspects which doesn't form. See, last time it formed here almost. I mean, it happened on this day, kind of bottom, and nothing much happened on that day. But what happens is with these aspects, if we have retrograde and something like this, some other astro event, it adds more value, more power to that particular aspect. See here, from there a good rally came in. So, Mercury retrograde is an important event, and see here almost a bottom and from there a good rally. So these are important aspects, but when they are combining with Mercury retrograde and Venus going in ingress, like Venus changing, moving from one zodiac to another zodiac, they add more value. And more importantly, we need to get a confirmation from our levels. So Mercury heliocentric, Mercury retrograde, Venus ingress, and these two important aspects which I have discussed. So 17886 and 37900, these are the two levels which you need to watch out for. So that's about it. Thank you very much for watching. I wish you guys all the best. Stay disciplined and trade with the right position size. Thank you.